Welcome, friends, to the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. This is your Sacral chakra reading for this week. It's just a little 2-card spread. I'm going to start with the interpretations from the books, from the authors, and then I will finish with an intuitive reading. Please see the timestamp below if you want to skip ahead to the intuitive section. The question that we ask of these 2 cards are, how can I be empowered to take creative risks in the world within the realization that I am the divine feminine? And the first card out from the art oracles is Ai Weiwei. The themes surrounding this card are: when authority says to be quiet, get a loudspeaker. Art must fight for freedom, or the whole world is a prison. Some things are whole only when they shatter. Despite big trouble with the authorities, this artist continues to work from Beijing, where his hobbies include political deviance and being interrogated. With deep roots in activism, his conceptual work taps into art history, world events, and occasional bouts of dark humor to address contemporary concerns about Chinese society. For his work Fairy Tale, he flew 1001 Chinese citizens to Germany's famous Documenta art exhibition. For dropping a Han Dynasty urn, he did good on the title's promise in apparent protest against cultural repression. However, when a Florida man staged an homage protest of his own, purposefully dropping and shattering one of his vases on display at a Miami museum, he was not flattered and offered the man no tips on resisting arrest. And to accompany this card from the Whale Matrix Chakra, we are taking a card from the Myths and Mermaids deck, and we have Jellyfish Portal. A deep-dwelling mermaid watches passively as a smack of ice blue jellyfish flutter by, carried by the ocean current. Their brilliant luminosity brings light to an otherwise darkened scene. You have been fighting and struggling with your present situation without making much progress. It is time to take a page from the jellyfish's book and allow things to take their natural course. Although they have the capability to move independently, jellyfish tend to allow themselves to drift along with the currents of the ocean, trusting the process, not fighting what is. Do the same, and you may find yourself a more content, relaxed, and peaceable person, even if you wind up somewhere you never expected to be. Okay, I'm looking for some intuitive messages now. And I'm getting a sense of feeling very wise despite the commotion around you, and you're able to focus, even if what you're focusing on doesn't really seem like anything. In fact, it seems like you're considering just remnants and ashes of something that was important to you. So maybe you've literally come to the end of some sort of cycle in your life that you have been repeating and repeating. You may feel a little bit weepy, a little bit upset with yourself about this, and kind of lost and feeling a bit of darkness around you. But that's okay. I mean, that darkness can be an opportunity to just look at a situation. Sorry there, I don't know if you caught me pausing, but I had a hornet coming in at me through my window. So you know how all the readers say, maybe that's an extra little message for you. If it is, you'll know what it means. I did want to finish this, though, with stating that I do see something new. You know, I was saying that you seem to be looking at the ash of something, and then in this time of reflection, even if it's somewhat painful and sorrowful, there's something new emerging out of it that's even more beautiful, even more, you know, luminescent and magical than something that you had before. So that's where I'm going to end this reading. I really appreciate you guys joining me for it today, and I'm sending you love, many, many blessings, and please join me for tomorrow's will be the solar chakra reading. So take care, you guys.